Are you thinking about becoming a professional organizer and wondering what it takes to get started? When I tell people I've been working as a professional organizer for over 15 years, they often ask me, how does someone even get into that type of business? I did a video earlier about why I became a professional organizer. I'll put a link to that here. But this video is about the 5 things you'll need to consider when starting your own organizing business. And stay till the end because I'm going to share with you one of the absolute most important things that you'll need to do to be considered a professional versus an amateur organizer. And then I'm going to share my secret weapon with you. Hi, I'm professional organizer Katherine Lawrence. I help you live a life with less clutter so you can have space for the things that truly matter. So one of the first things that you want to look into when you're getting into this business is to get some type of training, to get a credential, because organizing for other people is very different than just organizing your own things in your own home. In addition to reading books or getting trained by a mentor who's already been working as a professional organizer, you want to look into getting some training. There are 2 national associations that you're going to want to take a look at when you are looking at the top training for professional organizers. The first one is the National Association of Productivity and Organizing Professionals. This was formerly called the National Association of Professional Organizers, or NAPO, and their website is napo.net. They have a national conference, they have a certification program, and they have tons of courses to help you get the training you need to become a professional organizer. They may even have a local chapter in your area where you can go and meet up with other professional organizers in your market. The second group you want to take a look at is the Institute for Challenging Disorganization, and I'm putting their website here up on the screen. It's challengingdisorganization.org. And they also have many classes that are taught by people who've worked in this industry for several years, and they have some certificate programs as well. The second thing you'll need to do to get started as a professional organizer is to get in a partnership with another organizer or start your own business. Contact other professional organizers in your area and see if they are hiring or if they are looking to partner with another organizer to help them on large jobs. But what you'll find is that the majority of professional organizers are in business for themselves and have their own business. So when I got started, I created an LLC called Space Matters. And so when someone makes a payment to me or I file a tax return, all of that is under the name of Space Matters. My insurance policy, my business license, all of that I am operating under the name of Space Matters, not Katherine Lawrence. So when you're looking to start a business, the 3 people you're going to want to have some conversation with is an insurance agent, an attorney, and a CPA. When I need extra help on a big organizing job, I will often reach out to another certified professional organizer who is insured and has their own company. Okay, number 3 is that you will need to define your niche. So what type of organizer do you want to be? There is a wide range of things that professional organizers do, from staging houses to working in offices to being productivity coaches. The type of organizing I do is all residential organizing, so I'm in people's homes and I'm doing really large scale projects from top to bottom whole house cleanouts. Not all organizers want to take on a project that large or something that has to be done that quickly, like if a house is going on the market and has to be sold. Some organizers want to just take on small projects like closets. There's also organizers that install shelving and put together closet systems. So you really want to find out what you are good at and what you want to do so that you can market that to your clientele. So think about what kind of skills you bring to the table from prior jobs that you have had or things that people say that you're really good at. So my background, I actually worked as a corporate analyst and I was a database application developer. So I had some technical skills coming into this when I started my organizing business. So a lot of the referrals that I got in my market were for helping people set up online banking or contact management systems or scanning, things that were a little more technical in nature. But because I had that previous background, that was a good fit for me. And then later I moved into whole house team organizing because I really like the project management side of having to clear out an entire house in just a few days. So knowing what you are already good at and where you want to focus your business initially is really important because it'll help you market and also just be the best organizer you can without learning too many new skills when you get into the industry. Okay, number 4, marketing. You are going to have to know something about marketing or learn something about marketing very quickly. And the reason for this is because you can be amazing at organizing kitchens and closets and playrooms and craft rooms, but at the end of the day, if people can't find your business or understand what it is that you're offering as a service, they're not going to hire you. So just a couple of the basics. Get a business card. Get a website, set up your social media accounts, network. Talk to anyone and everyone in your current network, whether that's other parents at school, your church, hobby groups that you're already in. Make sure everyone knows that this is the industry that you're in now and the types of services that you'll be offering. There are also professional networking groups that get together on a regular basis just to share business. So you may look into your Chamber of Commerce, BNI, and other local groups where people share business. You're going to want to set up what I call referral partners. These are people in a related business who are going to work with people who need your services. So that may be a real estate agent, a stager, an interior designer, other organizers, closet installers, lawyers, accountants, anyone who is in a position to be in front of the type of clientele that you can help. So through your marketing and networking efforts, everyone should know what it is that you do. Okay, lastly, number 5, follow a system. Organizing for a living is very different than organizing for yourself. And one of the main differences is that you're going to be expected to take your client from A to Z in a concise time period. So when you're at home, you may fuss around with your closet or take a couple of days to work on your kitchen. But when you're working with a client, you're going to want to accomplish something in a few hours or set the expectation that something is going to be accomplished in a certain time frame. So you're going to have a plan, and you're going to have to take your client through that action plan to get their project completed. Now, if that sounds really complicated, don't worry, because I'm actually going to share with you my secret weapon, which is my plan. That is my home organizing roadmap. And so that is a plan that I take my clients through. There's 6 steps in that plan, and I've got some other videos that discuss those steps. But you can get that for free, and I'm going to put that in the description below so you can see sort of where I take my clients during our time together and how I can break down individual sessions into different steps on the home organizing roadmap. Okay, so just to recap, those 5 steps are: number 1, get trained. Number 2, start a business or a partnership. Number 3, define your niche. Number 4, market. And number 5, follow a system. In the comments below, please let me know what questions you have about becoming a professional organizer. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.